today I go to teach you about titration. Titration is a technique used to work out the concentration of an unknown solution when you know the concentration of another solution. You carefully add the known solution to a set volume of the unknown solution until the reaction is complete. This enables you to work out the concentration of the unknown solution. Titration is when you have to use the information of your known substance to find the information of your unknown substance. In this case, our known substance is NaOH or sodium hydroxide, and our unknown substance, a sulfuric acid called H2SO4. First, let's write the two equations we have to keep in mind. The first one is molarity, which is the amount of moles divided by the amount of liters. Remember, sometimes it can only be 1 mole or 1 liter. Anyways, the other equation we have to remember is M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. So first, let's write the information of our known substance. So, known So anyway, let's get to the information of sodium hydroxide. The mass of sodium hydroxide is 0.249 moles. So we also need to use the volume of NaOH, which is 38.6 milliliters. The unknown stuff is M2 equals, don't forget to circle this. Actually, pretty unknown. It doesn't tell us that, but we know V2 44.7 milliliters. So let's circle that real quick. I don't think I can even reach this. Now, we want to find M2, right? The chemical reaction is NaOH plus H2SO4. So, we have to do reverse crisscross to find the actual product. So NaOH and HSO4. So now I go to crisscross and find the charges of this. So Na is -1, I think. It's actually +1. And hydroxide is -1. Hydrogen is +1. The sulfate is -2. This whole thing makes water. This is a water molecule. This is H2O. So there's a water molecule, and now we have to crisscross Na and SO4. So let's put the oxidation states. Now these should go in their original places. So we drop the minus here, when we reverse crisscross. So it becomes Na2SO4. Now I go to balance this equation since I found the product. There are 2 sodium atoms on the right, but there's only 1 sodium atom on the left. So what do? I put 2. It also means 2 hydroxides, so that would make 2 water molecules. But there's only 1 water molecule here, so I have to write 2. Now that will balance it out. So now moles and liters, they're almost like twins. We have to put them together. So 0.249 moles of NaOH divided by 1 liter multiplied by this 38.6 milliliters actually means 0.0386 liters if you convert it. Divided by, there's mole of NaOH on the top, right? So I should have to put it 1 on the bottom. There's 2 moles of NaOH and 1 mole of H2SO4. They react together to make this product. So there are 2 moles of NaOH, but 1 mole of H2SO4. Moles and liters, they're almost like twins. I have to put them together. So 0.249 moles of NaOH divided by 1 liter multiplied by 1 liter is on the bottom, so 1 liter to be on the top. So what is the volume of the known substance converted to liters? 0.0386. Such a small number, isn't it? Divided by just 1, no plain unit, times, there is 1 mole of NaOH on the top, right? So we'll have to put 1 on the bottom. And on the top, we should put 1 mole of our sulfuric acid. There are 2 moles of NaOH, so I have to write this on the bottom, but there is only 1 mole of our sulfuric acid, so I have to write 1 on the top. Now times, finally, we take the volume of the unknown substance, and we put it on the top. Oh wait, no, actually that's wrong because of this equation. I told you should keep your eyes peeled for that. If you cancel all of these out, you will see that this unit is still on the top. So liters had to be on the bottom, right? So 0.0447 liters and on the top And at the top there should be a 1 without any unit. Okay, so that's 0.249 times, times 0.0386 times, okay, so 0.249 times 0.0386. So this is what it gives us on the top, kind of similar to what we're supposed to get. Divided by 2 times 0.0447 0.0894. Answer. So mole of H2SO4 divided by liters. Okay. Now 0.0096114 divided by our answer is 0.1075100671. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to Barry Science Lab for more videos. Bye.